Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the Vegan Foodie here. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell notification so every time I drop a video, you get that baby. And also check out the new merch. So shout out to all of my vegan vixens that have copped the Vegan Vixen collection. If you haven't already copped the shirts, make sure you guys hit the link in my description so that you can cop this merch. So listen, today is a product review. Daiya Cheese released a new pizza, so we're gonna try it. I have been on the fence about Daiya Cheese pizzas, so this is a new product. They say that it's new and improved, so let's try it out and let's see what's going on with this Daiya Cheese new product. You see this is the Daiya new plant-based vegetable crust pizza, and the crust is made from cauliflower, sweet potato, and spinach, and it's Italian herb and cheese style with vegan mozzarella, Parmesan style shreds, feta style crumbles, and Italian herbs. And this is gluten-free and a good source of fiber, and it is deliciously dairy-free. Now, I am getting away from carbs. I recently gave up rice, I gave up potatoes and bread, so this falls right in line because the crust isn't bread, it's made from vegetables. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. They say to put it in the oven for 450 for 9 to 13 minutes. And it says check after 9 minutes. And I'm not really a homemade pizza type person. I've made pizzas before, but I'm normally going to plant-based pizzeria if I want a plant-based pizza. But I want to try this baby out because I'm excited. So let's hop it in the oven and let's see how Daiya weighs up with their new and improved recipe and product. So I think I cooked it 3 minutes too long, but let's give this baby a try. So it is definitely hot. So I'm just gonna try a little piece of the cheese and try the crust. It definitely doesn't look like the picture, but maybe I cooked it too long, I don't know. The crust has a good taste. I wish it wasn't so crunchy. I'm gonna try it with the topping because when I tried it with the topping before and just by itself, I didn't like it. So let's see it. Let's see the crust and the topping. Okay. It's a little tangy, but it's not bad. I will probably get it again and maybe cook it for 9 minutes exactly. But I'm gonna eat it because the bread is not hard, it's just crunchy. So Daiya Cheese, I give it a 3.5 out of 5. Maybe only because I didn't try to cook it 9 minutes and I cooked it 13. 12, 13 instead. But anyway, this is my food review for the Daiya new and improved pizza. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Vegan Foodie. And also make sure you guys hit the link for my Amazon store because everything that I have on here, everything that I talk about is available in my Amazon store. Even my juicers is on Amazon. And then also cop the merch. Shout out to all of my vegan vixens. That's a part of the gang. So stay tuned for more. I'm out. Peace.